Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Just Door Shims part number WDSHMZ, fire retardant wood shims for shimming door and window frames. So this is a bundle of shims, and what makes these different than just your common typical bundle of shims that you'll get that you can pick up at the home improvement store on any given aisle. Well, that's not true. I mean, generally in the lumber or hardwood hardware lumber aisle, probably the pre-hung door aisle, is that these are fire retardant. That's important. So there is a image down below showing the label, but I'll hold that there. Class A rating, flame spread 25, smoke develop 60. Guaranteed 100% usable. Also resists black mold, mildew, and insects. Surface burning characteristics are listed there. So the bottom line is you have access to the data from the manufacturer should you need to provide proof of compliance with your application. There it is. So when you order one, you'll get one bundle. They say that there are 24 pieces per pack. Yeah, I would say that that's exactly accurate. 12 big ends on one side, 12 small ends on the same side. Give you an idea of what these are. And shims are tapered, and there's a particular reason for that. You can take this tapered sort of piece of equipment and insert that into the jamb. Okay, that's how that would work. Let's take a look at what's happening here. Okay, let's take a look at the dimensional properties. The manufacturer says they're 16-inch in length. Looks closer to 15 and a quarter, I suppose, if that 16 inch is like a 2x4. It's not really 2x4. Width looks like it's about 1 1/8 inches. Thickness over at the big end looks like it's about a quarter. 5/32 would be my guess. Thin end looks like it's closer to about 1/16 of an inch or so. And it's triangular shaped, and that's by design, so that you can take this and insert it in until such a point where you have the proper gap filled based on the triangular shape of the shim. So explaining how a door shim is really not what this video is about, but more so just to show you what they look like so that you can determine whether or not they would be appropriate. Let's switch to the screen view and look at the manufacturer's data that they've provided for us. And by the way, a bundle of these shims weighs about 0.9 pound, or 0.95 pound would be more accurate. Here's the description from the manufacturer, or the page in our site, I should say, along with the description. Here, pretty much all that is on the label. This comes out of their catalog. Not too much to see here. I'll show you those in a moment. The end view of the bundle. And they don't really appear to have any smell other than whatever lumber this is. Pine, perhaps. I don't know what lumber it is. It's clearly treated. I would imagine that it's treated based on its characteristics. Now, there's a link in the area of this video to the manufacturer's page here. And when you click on that, you can pull up all of the common Just Door Tool products that we sell. I had mentioned fire-rated shims. Here are some of them right here. JustDoorToolZ RDS Fire Ready Shims for fire doors, 100 per pack. That's one variant that they have.